Welcome to Raxter Law. Do you need a will? This video is for informational and educational purposes only and is not legal advice. Are these some of the questions you ask? What is a will? Does a will cover everything I own? What happens if I don't own a will? Can I change my will? Who should know about my will? How can I find a lawyer to write a will for me? What is a will? You might ask, what is a will? Your will is a legal document in which you give certain instructions to be carried out after your death. For example, you may direct a distribution of your belongings, your money and property, and give your choice of guardians for your children. It becomes permanent when you die. Does a will cover everything I own? No. Generally, your will affects only those belongings that are titled in your name at your death and for which there is no designated heir. What happens if I don't have a will? If you die without a will, California law will determine the heirs of your estate. Contrary to popular myth, if you die without a will, everything does not automatically go to the state. If you are married or have a registered domestic partnership, your spouse or domestic partner will receive part of your separate property belongings, and the rest of your separate property belongings will be distributed to your children or grandchildren, parents, sisters, brothers, nieces, nephews, or other close relatives. If you are not married or in a registered domestic partnership, your belongings will be distributed between children and grandchildren, if you have any, or to your parents, sisters, brothers, nieces, nephews, or other relatives. If your spouse or domestic partner dies before you, his or her relatives may also be subject to some or all of your estate. Friends, a non-registered domestic partner, or your favorite charities will receive nothing if you die without a will. Can I change my will? Absolutely. You can change or even revoke your will. You can and should update your will whenever a major life event takes place, such as marriage, birth of a child, etc. Who should know about my will? No one other than you and the lawyer who wrote the will, but your executor should know where to find it. How can I find a lawyer to write a will for me? Come here to Raxter Law. We will write a will for you at an affordable price. Give us a call at 951-226-5294 or come to our office at 27851 Bradley Road, Menifee, California, Suite 145. We will be happy to help.